Hi, I'm Chuck Jones, and this is your Magic Learning Moment. Now, I've been involved in training for just about 35 years or so, and when I first started, our primary means of training delivery was facilitator-led and classroom-based training. We also didn't have much of a training budget. In this particular example, let's say we had $100, $200, $300, $400, $500, $600. And maybe we spent half of our budget on facilitator-led and classroom-based training. That would be $100, $200, $300. Now, we had some good training, some good feedback, and it was very effective. So what kind of return on investment did we have? Well, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I would say that training paid for itself. Then a few years later, in about the 1990s and early 2000s, we started spending money on e-learning and other asynchronous methods. And again, we had our budget of $100, $200, $300, $400, $500, $600. We spent half of that on e-learning course development. So let's see, that's $100, $200, $300. So what kind of return on investment did we get? Well, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I would say that training pretty much paid for itself. More recently, we started using synchronous methods and also electronic performance support tools and video and gamification. Well, let's say, for instance, our budget was still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, how much money do we spend on some of these new approaches? Well, let's see, $100, $200, $300, just like before. But now, we also used a blended learning approach. And so that helped us get an even better return on investment. A blended learning approach allows us to combine the methods that I just mentioned, the synchronous, the electronic performance support, the video and the gamification and other methods, combine that with the power of facilitator-led training and also e-learning. And by using a blended learning approach, well, who knows what impact that'll have on your return on investment. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $900. I would say that those training initiatives paid for themselves. I'm Chuck Jones, and this has been your Magic Learning Moment.